My name's Justin Drake, and I was the lucky winner of the Father's Day giveaway for the SV01. If you've been around Sovol for a while, you have probably seen me comment here and there. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, and I'll help out as much as I can. This is my machine now, has the BL Touch on it. I just got it installed and working on figuring out a few bugs, but been going pretty good. Thanks.
Of this printer, and as you can see, I have two, so I really like it a lot. And then I think the best part of this company is that the customer service. If you have any questions, you ask them and they get back to you really quickly, and they're very helpful. So thanks, guys.
Hello, I'm Carl, and I am one of the proud owners of the SV01. I got my first SV01 last July, and the second one I just got it this month. So two things I can say about SV01. First is its user friendliness together with its outstanding customer service. Second, it is one of the best direct drive 3D printers. If not, it could be the best direct drive 3D printers out in the market now. So I'm looking forward for a third SV01. Yeah, so I have two. The other one is my custom built printer. So I suggest you grab yours now. Bye.
Hello 3D printing friends, I'm Brian, host of the BB3D channel on YouTube. Bill asked if I'd be willing to say a few words about Sovol and share my experiences with you, so here goes. I've had my Sovol SV01 for about 4 months now. It's the largest printer that I own. It's a solid machine and I've been really happy with it. And it's pretty easy to put together. All the major components are already assembled. You just bolt the top part to the bottom part, connect a few wires, and you're done. Apart from a small issue with the selection knob, in which it didn't always update values on the screen, it hasn't given me much trouble at all. Oh, and Sovol sent me a replacement screen under warranty after I showed them the problem. Now, there's also an awesome Facebook group for Sovol owners, so if you're interested in Sovol's printers, I recommend checking it out. Sovol, you're doing a lot of things right. Keep up the good work.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good night to some of our printers that are in this group. I'm here to talk about my experiences using the Sovol 1 printer. Where to begin? Honestly, it's been great. To be completely honest with you, I've had a lot of fun experience with it. You know, I've learned quite a lot about just the infinite possibilities of printing that you can do from, you know, different materials such as your typical PLA. If you notice, it will genuinely get these smaller parts to go there as well. Very rigid material also that you can use on this. But even this printer right here can print various amounts of filament. Even flexible, you know, you can bend it and do things like that. It's pretty good. One issue that I see a lot of people who actually start off as, you know, beginners whenever it comes to printing is the leveling of the bed. It's sort of a trial and error. And you know, it's not necessarily something that needs to consistently be adjusted once it is fine-tuned. So, you know, don't lose any type of, you know, encouragement towards working with this machine, because once you get it there, it's good to go. One of my favorite things about these printers, though, is, you know, the packaging. Whenever I first got the printer in the mail, I was ecstatic. I thought, you know, hey, this is going to be great. I can go and make all kinds of things, and, you know, I just expected it to be just a big frame and, you know, my pack of filament that I ordered, and you know, I've actually got it over there, but here's a fresh pack. I went and bought 2 more of them from the store, but yeah, you know, definitely check out their stores. They've got really good prices on those. But also, not only that, but this company gives you everything you need. You have all of the tools that you will need in the box that comes with it. They have a little sub box that comes with it as well that has all the tools and the Allen wrenches, the Allen keys, all the screws, everything that you need. It's great. Personally, you know, I'm a little bit nerdy. I like the fact that they sent my own flash drive. I think that's great.
La Sovol SV01, ça fait quelques mois que je l'ai. J'ai déjà fait pas mal d'impressions avec, j'ai jamais eu de soucis, j'ai jamais eu de réglage particulier à faire si ce n'est le niveau de mon plateau, mais ça c'est commun à toutes les imprimantes. Je pense qu'elle elle est parfaite pour un débutant, autant pour une personne expérimentée, hein. Mais pour un débutant ça marchera très très bien. Il y a plusieurs options intéressantes dessus, notamment le double axe des moteurs en Z. On va avoir le plateau chauffant qui est d'une taille assez conséquente par rapport à une Under 3 par exemple, qui permet donc d'imprimer des pièces beaucoup plus volumineuses. Ensuite on est en direct drive, donc pour imprimer tout ce qui est filament flexible, etc. Il y a vraiment pas mieux. Alors en plus il y a le détecteur de filament qui permet justement de ne pas se retrouver avec un print à moitié terminé parce qu'il y avait plus de filament. Là le print s'arrête, on charge une bobine et c'est reparti. Donc c'est top, c'est vraiment une bonne imprimante, c'est un bon produit. Moi je vous la recommande, donc n'hésitez pas à la commander si vous avez des doutes. J'espère vous avoir convaincu. Allez, salut!